Well, let's check out the snowstorm of October 29, 2011. And see what we got. It's Sunday morning. I'm not sure what time it is. We've lost power for a couple of, all night. So let's go open this garage door. See what we got. We got some damage. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at my trees in my front yard. They used to be beautiful ornamental trees. That's what the hood looks like. About, I don't know, 15 inches of snow. This is awful. It's wet, it's heavy. Used to be beautiful ornamental trees in front of my house. I don't know what the back looks like. All snapped. Let's go see what the back looks like. That's one of my trees right there. Snapped right off. The one closest to the driveway. Oh my goodness. The family campground. Can't go that way. Can't get to the gate. Go this way. Go this way and out the back door. Oh my goodness. Let's check this out. Check this out. Let my fruitcake dog run. Come on, Rowan. Come on out. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Oh my goodness. You can see there's about 12 to 15 inches of snow. Hey, freak! Freaky dog! Oh my goodness. Oh, my beautiful trees. Look at my beautiful tree. There's a tree swing under there. Somewhere. Oh, look at them all. They're all just beat. That's a Rose of Sharon, believe it or not. Oh my goodness. Underneath that tree in the distance is a sandbox that you wouldn't recognize. Stay away from the trees, buddy. Oh my goodness. There's the tree swing right there. Oh my goodness. There's a sandbox under that tree, believe it or not. Wow. October. That tree, that limb snapped. I don't want to go underneath that tree, but that tree snapped right off, right in there. Right in the center of the camera. Wow. There's going to be a lot of cleanup after this. Oh, my beauty little trees right there just broke right off. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, that one snapped right in half. Let me get out of here. Just walked under a tree. Look at this pretty little tree right here. Snapped right off. Hey, Flake. Hey, Flake. What do you got? Come on, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Well, I'm going to turn this off and take some pictures. And we'll go around town and kind of look at some more stuff. Hey, get out of here. You Flake. Where'd you go? Hey, Rowan. Rowan. What is it? What is it? What is it? There's snow? Huh? Snow puppy? What's in there? What's in there? What is this? Hmm? What is this stuff? You know what this is. You love having fun in this stuff. Watch out, you're gonna get killed by snow. Hey, come on, come. Uh-oh, there's more trees breaking. I can hear them. Still. Hey, come over here. Get out of there. Come on. Let's go in. What? Do you like this stuff? Do you like this stuff? Do you? Huh? What? Do you like this stuff? Do you like this stuff? Do you? Oh. All right. Stop jumping on me. Stop jumping on me. You're not. You're a flake. You are a flake. You're handsome. You were so handsome. You were so handsome. Where you going? Hey, you're gonna get killed. Woof. Get out of there. Hey! Get out of there, you're gonna get killed. Come on, let's go and see Mama.